Hi everyone, this is Paige Jaro from Lifomic, and today I'm going to be showing you how to post a picture to your feed, which is a new feature. So I just finished an overnight fast, and I want to show people how I ended my fast. So I'm going to go to my feed, and in the top corner, top right hand corner, there is now a little button that looks like a pencil. You're going to click that, and this allows you to do a public post where you can add text, pictures, and even tag people. So you can go ahead and write, I had a great fast. And this is a public post, meaning anyone who is in one of your circles will be able to see this. You can add a photo, either from your camera or photo library. I can go to my camera, and right now, how the pictures appear in the feed is through a banner horizontal picture, so you want to take it horizontally. You can take this picture, I could retake it if I'm not satisfied, or I can go ahead and use this picture. And then as you see it cropped here is how it will appear in your feed. And in the future, you'll be able to crop this to where you want it, but just make sure it looks how you want it to look now before you send it off. You can tag people in your picture, and then once you're ready, you can click send. Once you click send, the picture is published to the feed. Right now, you can't delete your photo posts, so just take a moment, make sure you've spelled your status correctly, and that the picture is how you want it to appear before you click send. That's it. Try posting a picture to the feed, perhaps of how you break your fast, and let us know how it goes.